Abilene Junior Academy.
Thank you. I was looking on the Facebook page and I saw something about preview days. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, I can. So Preview Week is a chance to experience a Christian multi-grade environment. It's free of charge. It's from August 12th to August 21st. It's going to be Monday through Friday, and then Monday through Thursday, we'll be here from 8:15 to 3:15. And then on Friday, we're going to be here at 8:15 to 12:15.
Okay. And if my child were to come, what would they need to bring with them?
They need to bring a mask, one like this.
Is this okay?
Yes, that one is great too. Their lunch, of course, and I will give you a form to sign their medical release, either you or the guardian.
Okay. And how do we sign up for that?
So you can call us at 325-603-5000, or you can text as well. You can email us, or you can go to our Facebook page at Abilene Junior Academy.
And I could send a message.
Yes, you can send a message to us.
And what's the address for coming?
Our address, we are located at 2542 East Overland Trail, Abilene, Texas, in the north side of town.
Okay, I think we'll be there.
Will you be there?